This is another great junk project, and actually we needed to buy new pads for our evaporative cooler. I knew it was too good to toss, so we just kept it. And originally these pads were like that wide, but see, but over the last few weeks I had something heavy sitting on this and it squished it down. But what I decided to do with this, I hit on a great brainstorm, and I decided I would cut it and see how it worked for doing dishes. See? And it's about the size of maybe a scrubby. And you know what? It's amazing stuff, and I use this all the time. I'm hoping I can find this all year long if I need it, because these are the best scrubbies I have ever found. And if you can get them, you can make a whole lot of scrubbies out of one of those sheets. It's really, really great. In fact, it seems like the thinner and more worn they get, the better they work. So it's not too soft. It still scrubs. Getting ready to replace it with that one. I'm sure it's probably not made of all natural ingredients, but hey, it works great for dishes. That's one of the best tips I can give you is go ahead and get yourself the blue evaporative cooler pad and cut it up and use it for scrubbies.